recommended that we have single-use like towels for hand drying, which then made me think that it's easy to keep track if you have 2 bins of clean rags and dry rags, and then these we can reuse, so we create less waste.
The University of New Hampshire Cooperative Extension is an equal opportunity educator and employer. UNH, U.S. Department of Agriculture, and New Hampshire counties cooperating. Direct inquiries to unh.civilrights@unh.edu. The University of Maine system is an equal opportunity institution committed to non-discrimination.